What's going on, guys? It's your boy Crypto Miguel here, coming today with a unboxing community video. I've had a couple packages here that piled up that I need to open up for y'all, and now that I'm here in the new place, I can do that and get stuff settled and move things along. So we got 3 packages here that we are going to open up. 2 have been opened. One because I didn't know if it would make it safely, and the other I didn't know what it was at first. It makes moving, and then I put another miner in it. Oops, spoiler. So yeah, we'll start with the one that I kind of spoiled because I needed to throw them into something because they were improperly packaged. So I placed them inside of this little mini LCD screen that I got for the FPGA rig. And here they are. 2 fans. Great miner right there. Just kidding. Just kidding. So we actually put the micro miner in there for moving, make it safe. But we got 2 future bits. Wrong camera. 2 future bits. Just got 2 of the, bought 2 of them for really cheap, and I bought them with Note. So yeah, little script ASIC miner. So technically I own ASICs now, technically. But yeah, got those, and now I can get those up and running and hash away on some Note, earn a little bit of extra Note. If y'all know what Note is, look it up. Note blockchain. Second one. Here in this package. And the thing I have on this desk right now. I can easily open things. So, as most of you may know or seen what it was, we got a 3080, guys. 3080. Official unboxing right here. No, I'm just kidding. I got a 1080 Zotac, one of our community members, and actually very lifelong friend of mine, since we've been doing this for a while together. Was getting rid of one of his 1080s for a really good price, and I couldn't say no, so I bought his 1080 Zotac Amp Edition, just regular amp, not an extreme, so not a triple fan, and also just a regular 1080, not a 1080 Ti or anything. Still new to me. Gonna replace this with what's in my PC right now, which is a 1070 EVGA for the Win 3 edition. So that is what I have currently. Not a bad card. Not a bad card to swap to. So looking forward to it. This will help out a little bit more. So plus I like it. Dude, this thing is huge. I did not imagine or expect this 1080 to be so big. Not gonna lie, I did not expect it. The last one, guys, is something very special. Who's it from? Panda. So, what's up, Panda? How you doing, buddy? This is from you. Thanks, buddy. I greatly appreciate it. Me and him been talking a little bit for a while, and he didn't have a need for it at the moment, so he sent it to me, and I gladly took it. I said, buddy, I'll gladly take it. I haven't had one, so let's see what we got here. If I can get the box open. Maybe we can get the box open. I think I need to sharpen my knife. guys, what we got here? Some bubble wrap. Guys, look at this. What do we got, guys? What's in this box? What do we got in this box? So, I see a Raspberry Pi Model 4 in here, and it is I think it's just a 2 GB model. Does not say. Doesn't say on it that I can think of, but I'm pretty sure it's a 2 GB model. Got this really fancy wall plug-in adapter that I have to switch on it. That's pretty cool. We got what I would consider a printer cord. Blue. Same kind that I have plugged into my microphone. We have another power supply. This one's with a different plug, because I assume that goes into this, which is, guys, a atom miner. So we got ourselves a atom miner FPGA here on the channel. So we got a new FPGA to play with. Big shout out to Panda. Thank you, Panda. Couldn't have done this without you, quite literally. You sent it to me, and I appreciate it, dude, so much. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. And I hope you and your family and that beautiful baby is doing perfectly well after the move. Man, I greatly appreciate this. That way I can thoroughly test one and actually test one. Haven't had the opportunity to test one of these yet, so it's kind of nice to have one. So guys, we'll have more videos coming up here soon of putting all this together. I need to install this 1080 into my main PC, so we'll have a video of that coming up here shortly, just a short video. And then we'll have another video of putting the 1070 that is in my computer now onto the NVIDIA mining rig back behind us, as well as I got a few more special surprises for when that comes around. So we're going to do a fresh install of HiveOs. We'll do a run through of that for a video when we install that graphics card. So guys, be sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you know every time that we go live or post a video here. I try not to go live too much here on this channel, but that may change with some coming testing stuff here soon. So we'll see how things go, guys, and we'll catch you next time. So peace out. Keep on mining, guys. Later.